Hey everyone, this is Professor Eskew. Welcome to Business 119 Business Communication. On this short little video, I want to show you how to purchase your ebook and code online if you choose to do that instead of going through Mace's bookstore. I'll be honest, the price is about the same either way. The bookstore might have actually a little cheaper price. I think their price is want to say 118, okay? But I just want to show you how to do this. So I am on the course homepage. If you come down over here and you look on Learning Modules is the component of Blackboard that houses all of your assignments. So you'll see there they are, all the chapters have all the information in the order that we're going to go in for the course. But up here at the top is how to register and access MyBCOMMLab. MyBCOMMLab has all of your assignments as far as your homework and your quiz and your dynamic study modules. So your dynamic study modules will take you through the chapter on a very high level. You'll still want to read the textbook. Cringe. Actually, the textbook reads really well, so I think it won't be as terrible as you might think. And then the homework can be 3 or 4 different types. It can be a video, it can be a simulation, it can be a writing assignment, it can be a document makeover. And we'll talk about that when we get to the syllabus. But here's what I want you to do. Here is all of the steps needed. So this is if you first register. If you don't have a Pearson account, this will take you step by step through the Pearson account. Then when you come back later, it shows you how to sign in later. And then if you take advantage of the 2-week temporary access, when you get your access code after that 2 weeks is completed, here is the process to upgrade to your full access for Pearson. So you can do it that way, or I give you a simple handout. And so this PDF can be printed off quite easily. And again, to register, you just click on this link and you follow the instructions. Okay? When you do that, you have 2 choices. You can either buy your access code immediately. If you buy your access code immediately, you will get access to the ebook, the homework, one and done. You won't have to worry about it anymore. Or you can choose the 2-week option, which is fine. If you choose the 2-week option, you will have to at some point buy an access code. You will get access to the e-textbook and all of the homework, quizzes, and dynamic study modules in MyLab, just like you bought the code, but after the 2 weeks, you will cease to have access. So since I just said that, you want to be strategic if you're going to take that opportunity and not register and click on the free access until you're ready to start. Because if you click on take advantage of the free access, that 2-week clock starts as soon as you click that button, okay? So be smart and be strategic about that. Again, here's how to sign in later. And then if you take the 2-week access and you finally buy your access code, you can upgrade here. I do believe that you'll have an option if you want to buy the hard copy. Forgive me, I'm not sure exactly how much that cost will be. If you buy the package at Mesa Bookstore, you get the hard copy of the textbook, the access to the e-textbook, and access to My Business Lab. So however you want to do it is fine. I just wanted to walk you through this. So I will see you in class, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. So take good care.